Mozambique president calls for unity in challenging times. Hello viewers, welcome to Champions Network TV. The outgoing president of Mozambique yesterday called for unity among Mozambicans in troubled and challenging times, saying that the government would remain focused on peace and reconciliation, values embodied in the Peace and National Reconciliation Agreement. The values of peace and reconciliation embodied in the Maputo Agreement continue to be central to Mozambique's national interests and to a prosperous future, Filipe Nyusi declared during the closing session of the 11th Joint Chiefs of Staff course and 13th Supreme Official Promotion course. The Maputo Agreement, officially the Peace and National Reconciliation Agreement, was signed by the government and Mozambique National Resistance Renamo in 2019, putting an end to a cycle of instability in the country. As a nation, we have managed to overcome challenges and we must continue on this path. But we must remember that every time our commitment to peace and put to the test, our resilience grows and we emerge stronger, said the president, noting that Mozambique had even shared its experience in building peace at the United Nations. In difficult and challenging times, unity becomes not only important but essential. Our future, our nation, our families, our children call on each other, one of us to take another step forward with dedication and hope, he argued. Also in his speech, Filipe Nyusi announced that more than 73% of the beneficiaries of the disarmament, demobilization, reconciliation (BDR) for former Renamo guerrillas have already started receiving their pensions. Following the DDR, 4,215 cases of pension effects were received by the Ministry of Combatants, of which 3,930, 81% received approval from the administrative tribunal. Of this number, 3,808 former guerrillas covered by the DDR are already seeing their pensions paid into their bank accounts, the president said. Thank you for choosing Champions Network TV. For those who have visited this channel for the first time, kindly do subscribe so that you don't miss our future uploads.